Honorable Mayor Olaso, Undersecretary Isidintabo of the FA, Engineer Giovanni Miranda of Philippine National Railway, from the IOM, honorable government officials, distinguished guests, fellow OFW leaders, brothers and sisters in the overseas Filipino community, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum and pleasant day to everyone. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today and express my full support for this OFW Global Summit 2026. For more than 5 decades, overseas Filipino workers have become one of the strongest pillars of our nation. Across continents, industries, and cultures, Filipino workers have demonstrated resilience, dedication, professionalism, and compassion. Whether as healthcare workers, engineers, seafarers, domestic workers, teachers, technicians, construction workers, hospitality professionals, or entrepreneurs, OFWs have carried the Filipino flag with dignity and pride. The story of migration is not merely a story of employment. It is a story of dreams. It is a story of sacrifice. It is a story of family thriving for a better future. And it is a story of millions of ordinary Filipinos' extraordinary contribution to our nation. 52 years OFWs have helped sustain the Philippine economy through their hard work and remittances. Yet, billions of dollars sent home lies an ever greater contribution. The knowledge, skills, experience, leadership, and global perspective acquired by Philippine workers around the world. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the achievements of OFWs, but also to reflect on their future. The whole world the world of works is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence, automation, digital technologies, demographic shifts, and global competition are transforming labor markets everywhere. As OFWs, we must be prepared not only to adapt, but to lead. We must ensure the future generations of Filipino workers and equipped with skills, competencies, certifications, and opportunity needed to thrive in an increasingly competitive global economy. This is why I strongly support initiatives that promote skills development and lifelong learning, international recognition of Filipino qualifications and competencies, financial literacy and wealth creation, entrepreneurship and reintegration, greater participation of OFWs in national development, and talent mobility, and the creation of comprehensive national inventory of returned OFWs to harness the vast experience and expertise of Filipino migrants for the benefit of our country. Time has come to view OFWs not merely as workers abroad, but as a global Filipino talent whose contribution extends far beyond remittances. We must build a future where every Filipino who leaves our lands has pathway toward career advancement, financial independence, entrepreneurship, and meaningful reintegration. We must build a future where migration becomes a source not only of income, but innovation, knowledge transfer, and national competitiveness. Most importantly, we must ensure that the voices of OFWs continue to be heard in shaping policies that affect our lives our families, and our communities. To the Department of Migrant Workers, our lawmakers, policymakers, recruitment stakeholders, employers, and fellow OFW leaders, let us continue working together to create opportunities that empower Philippine workers and maximize the benefits of migration of our nation. As we look to our future, it is remembered that greatest asset of the Philippines is not merely the money that OFW sent home. It is the talent, character, resilience, and determination of the Filipino people. May this summit serve as a platform for meaningful dialogue, innovation ideas, and bold action that will benefit both present and future generations of OFWs. On behalf of the countless Filipinos working around the world, I express my appreciation to the organizers of this summit and reaffirm our commitment to nation building wherever we may be. Together, let us transform the legacy of migration into a legacy of human capital, opportunity, and national progress. Let us also give return OFWs a greater role in helping run the institution that serve them. Too few OFWs are given the opportunity to serve in the DMW despite their valuable experience and expertise. We call a higher budget for the Department of Migrant Workers, the immediate formation of the DMW Advisory Body with a strict OFW representation, an increased OFW representation in OWA, Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, and SSS boards to ensure that OFW's voices are heard where decisions are made. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang overseas Philippine workers. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.